Now in the home page, if you click on any title, you'll see the single blog post, and at the top you will see that we have a slug. And since every slug is unique, we can use that to fetch a post associated with that slug. And the logic is going to be similar to what we did when editing a category. Let's go ahead and implement that. So here where we have our single blog, and remember in our routes where we are rendering this component, we have props set to true. And since for us to get to this page, we click this link and we have params here, slug as the key, we can grab that using props. So what I'll do, I'll come here at the bottom, I'll have my script tag, then I'll have props, then I'll grab the slug. After that, I'll define my data. And then I'll have posts, and by default, it will be an empty object. Then when this component is mounted, let's make an API request to request the post associated with the slug that we have here. So I'm going to grab this and edit it to suit our needs. Then we'll go to /API/posts, then / the slug that we are receiving here. So we are going to add it here, this.slug. Then here we are going to change this from posts to posts. Then that's it for this component. Let's go ahead and create this API. So I'll go to the API, I'll grab this, then change this to posts/post so that I can be able to use route model binding. And then I'll specify here that we want to compare the slug table and not the ID, not slug table, the slug column and not the ID column. Then this one I'm going to change it to post controller. You don't have to use post controller. Then the method that we need to add another colon here. The method that you're going to hit is show. Let's go ahead and create that show method. So in our post controller, here we'll have our public function that is show, and then we'll have our post. And here we are going to use our post resource, so return, and since we are not returning a collection, you can just say new post resource, then pass our posts. And I believe that should work. Let's go ahead and test that. So here we'll check our network. Then let's go ahead and refresh this page. So now it's mounted and it's 200, so it's successful. And we have the response, we have our post. Let's go ahead and populate it on this page. So come back here. Let's go to the single blog. And then at the top here, we need a title. So I'll say post dot, let me grab this, I'll reuse it. Then post title. And here it's created at post.created at. Then here we need the user, post.user. And here we need the image path. So first we will bind this source, then post.image path. Okay, after that, let's have the body, post.body. Let's go ahead and test that. So come back here. Yeah, and everything is working. We have the title, the time, the user, the body, but the image is not displaying. So let's see that. So if I come here and inspect this, and then hover on this. Notice the URL. It is our root domain, then /blog, then /storage. Of course, our images are not stored in /blog, and that happens in Laravel when you have more than one slashes, sorry. When you have more than one slashes, we don't get the correct URL. And to fix this, we will use an absolute path. So I'll come here, and then where we have image path, I'll grab this, and then no, I don't need to grab the quotes, just this one. Use the template literals, then we will go to /, then here we'll have a $sign, then the image path. So this will make the URL absolute. So save, go back, and now it's working. And that's it for this lesson. In the next lesson, let's see how to display blog posts on this page. Cheers.